Yep, we're out rafting. We're out rafting. It's just me and Sue. No one else. We have our own kayak. We're a little scared.
I'm not scared.
So if anyone finds this and you don't find our bodies, you know what happened. All right. Break break right. See this? See that? That's what we have to deal with. Oh shit. Ah. Damn. That one hurt.
I'm gonna set the camera out.
Yep, this is what we're doing. See that? Right.
Like right or forward?
Right forward. I'm just taking a little break while she does the work. Yep. You want to hold the camera while I do the work now? Coming. Right. Look at that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh. Not cool. Not cool. Oh. Perhaps I should. Okay.
Don't get it wet.
Huh?
Don't get it wet.
Don't get it wet?
Don't get it wet.
I can't promise that.
Please don't get it wet.
I can't promise that, Richard. Richard, I'm gonna put it down. Cause you.
Well, you put it down?
Yeah, I put it down and I put it to face the sky.
Okay.
It's no time for showing off.
This way? Right. Let's go.
Oh.
Actually, take a break, dude.
You got it? My hands are still really cold. What the buck is that? I need to stop watching that show. I keep saying what the buck. Should I help?
No, I got it.
Alright.
See that, people? See that? Yes.
Yeah, maneuvering skill.
Look. Take a video of this.
I'll make sure I got you.
This. The skill.
Show off.
One person too. That's just one person.
Show off. So quiet.
You tired?
Me? No. It's pretty, right?
Uh-huh. Very nice.
Yeah, it is. Oh, turn us. Was that a raindrop? Well, that's a raindrop.
No, it's my pedal.
I promise you that's a raindrop. Look. Look on the water. Oh, hell no. It's gonna rain.
It's gonna rain?
It's raining, actually. It's drizzling.
Oh yeah. Maybe we should put the cameras away.
Cameras?
Yeah.
You might not to?
What's the zip-up bag?
Oh. Yeah, let's get as much footage as we can. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Oh.
See that stopping power?
Huh?
See that stopping power?
By grabbing onto the bench, that's stopping power?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, alright, now we're just gonna spin around. You wanna go into there? That we're going right there to the right? Go, put the camera to the right.
He wants to go in there. It's a reason why it's blocked off by the moss, by nature. Nature is hinting at you. That's not a good idea, buddy. We're not going in there either. Richard, ever the risk taker, this one. Tell me there's snakes in here after we begin. Ah. Ah. Okay, I'm helping. My Jamaican tree breaking skill. Oh.
Alright, hold on, just hold on.
I'm holding on.
You good?
Yeah.
I am good now.
Okay, there's a branch.
Those people?
Decisions. I think we go under.
I think we go left.
Right.
Left.
It starts over there, Richard. See?
I think we go left.
Wait. Oh, we're going right. We are going right, underneath, and stuck. Brake left, brake left, brake left. Sorry.
Brake left, brake left, brake left. Alright, right, left.
What's that noise?
What noise?
That noise.
The airplane.
Sounds like a waterfall.
Oh wait, there is a waterfall. Oh
There
wait,
is?
did we make a left by the two trees? Because he said we have to make a left. We made it right?
What do you mean?
He said he said make a left by the two trees, or else there's gonna be warped waters and a waterfall.
What?
He said that there's a waterfall if you keep on that straight.
Like we go over a waterfall?
Yeah.
Oh, you're playing with me. You're playing with me.
What?
You're playing with
I'm
me.
not playing with you.
You're playing with me.
I'm playing with you. We'll see.
Richard, I don't remember him saying anything about a waterfall.
Well, he used a code term. He said,
Yeah. A code term.
oh, that's a nice tree. Show him the tree right there.
I am.
In the front.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Beautiful colors. Difficult waters. Yeah. My hands are so cold. Richard, how's this experience been so far?
I'm the one keeping us alive right now.
Yes. Thank you to all our ancestors that want us alive and are with us. And of course to God. Ooh, and there's something we should miss.
I got it.
Alright, I'm gonna help you on this one. Okay?
Huh.
Or you want...
That's definitely a waterfall right there.
No, that's just the sound of the forest. You know, it goes watery and shh.
definitely a waterfall.
Or maybe it's rain.
I found a waterfall. Wait for it. Hard. Alright, we're gonna turn back here. Yep.
Oh, sorry people. My jeans aren't very,
Maybe we should put the camera on right now, because
yeah.
there's a possibility of us flipping.